How are you today? Good?
Good. I was going to go to buy some cookies or something now.
You didn't eat?
Only banana.
I'll go with you because I didn't check in.
Okay.
Oh yes, your umbrella and your towel. You need to take it.
How are you?
That's good. But last night I feel tired.
Yeah.
I slept long. I meditation, but I cannot to be quiet because I'm very tired. Yeah.
Because this is a bit like what?
Yeah, you need to take here.
Okay.
Perfect.
So
I go with you
last
up.
night I had
Call?
call with my family.
It's okay?
Yeah.
How's that?
Huh?
How's that?
Good. It was the first time I saw all of them
Oh, really?
together.
Perfect. Oh, your first time to see
And
that.
I was like, wow,
Amazing.
I missed them.
Cool. Yeah. You should.
And it was interesting because after the call, I saw that Zaza texted me, asking me how I was.
Ah.
And I said, I'm good, blah, blah, blah. We should call one day.
Oh, yeah.
And she's like, can you call now? And I'm like, because that she needed to call now, I felt she needed to call now. You know?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
So I just called her.
Because they worry about you. Because
So
they
I
know
called
about you.
her,
Yes.
and it was good. She needed some help. She cried.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Who? Your mother?
No, Zaza.
Zaza.
Yeah.
Ah, Zaza. Why she cried?
I don't know.
She worried about you, or she just about
think-
her?
She just needed to see me,
Ah, she wants to see you.
but it's not about me. I
Something
think
happened?
she feels a lot of different things. And
Really?
she's so confused.
Oh yeah, I can feel that. Yeah, because she now in China and
Yeah.
she want to come out.
So she asked me to call her. I think because she needed someone
Yeah.
to talk to
Yeah,
that could like understand her.
yeah. It's right. She don't have any friends. They don't have. I go with you and come back.
I think it's early to do check-in.
Sorry?
Usually check-in is around 1 or 2.
Yeah. It's okay.
Yeah.
But today is good sunshine. It's much better than yesterday.
Yeah.
And no cloud. And it's better for waterfall.
Yeah, today we should go.
Yeah, but not so far as yesterday, so we have enough time.
Yeah, half.
Yeah. Yeah, perfect.
Also tonight I have a call with my friend that I had the call yesterday and I didn't.
Oh, really?
So I have it tonight.
Okay.
So I also worked a little bit.
Yes. Wow.
Oh my god.
Oh. You're hitting me yesterday. Yeah. So that's why I go back. I slept earlier, and yeah.
You needed time.
You told me it's good things. I told them. I tell somebody for this because
Right?
it's hiding in my heart long time.
Yeah. Long time.
Yeah. So you are my healer.
You are your healer. I'm not your healer. You are your healer.
Yeah. Thank you. Hello.
Hi.
I want to ask.
want to
when-
ask?
Yeah. I want. Hello. I have a book, and I can check in later or now.
Maybe you can check in later because
Oh, you didn't. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
After I
Yes.
come. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
yeah.
Thank you. After the waterfall.
Yeah. So we can go waterfall first. I don't want to waste time if you want.
I want to eat.
Okay, eat. Yeah, after you eat, they say. Because
We
they
eat
are
and we go to
ready.
the waterfall.
Yeah, they ready the hostel. But it doesn't matter. I
The
put in your.
best time to go to the waterfall is lunchtime because there's not so many people.
Yeah. It's good to the lunchtime there.
Yes.
Oh my
And then
god.
we can go back and have early dinner.
Yeah.
Late lunch, early dinner.
Mhm.
Can you go now?
so healing here.
Yeah.
You're an angel, you know. You always pick out the places very amazing.
Yeah, I don't know how I do.
Yeah, a miracle.
It's good because you had me so much and I had you so much.
Yes.
So that's
Nice. I can wash the water. We can put the tea, okay?
Oh yeah,
Because I
this
bought
or
I bought a
plate.
tea yesterday, you know. Yes.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah,
Maybe when we can eat here,
yeah, we can eat here.
we can do this on the table.
Yeah, you're right.
I want to eat my food also.
Hmm. It's okay? You get hurt?
I always have problems with my knees.
Oh,
I'm going down, it's more painful than
yeah.
up.
Yeah.
They need to get stronger.
Of course. You can see from here the waterfall, small one.
So you can hear.
Yeah. Oh. Hi. Oh, thank you. Okay. We can go now? Yes. Oh, sorry. I have the paper you can use.
Okay.
We can go into there. I can give you. Take. Feel good, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Very clean.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
For sure.
So good.
Yeah.
Here, this waterfall is good for take photo. Yesterday it's too big. If you're going to bottom, you cannot take good. Yeah. You only swim in there.
This is really cool.
Yeah.
Oh, really nice water.
Yeah.
Wow.
You're getting much more healing.
Wow.
I saw the video and you are very enjoying inside.
Oh.
I still have another one.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah. They have the free for the toilet. No, I'm happy for that because it's not all day, you know. We have hired a nurse.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Take care whole day, and I off work. I come back. I have to bring him,
And then you're
and
with
let
him.
the nurse to take a rest, and he will cooking for food.
Yeah.
Wow, here's good swimming.
From there, can you make a video to here?
Yeah,
I think
Oh,
it's
yeah.
better
yeah,
because there's people.
yeah. You say I waiting there to make video?
Here,
Okay.
so that they are not in the video.
Yeah, yeah.
And they are not
Here's
in the
better. So I'm going down. Wow.
I think better from there.
Okay. Now no people, you can go again.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Yeah, this is Sands Road. Yeah, that's much more better. I can see where. Yeah, perfect. Hello, how are you?
Hello.
Good.
How are you?
We're going for rice field.
Ah,
It's his job, the rice field.
Yeah.
Nice.
yeah.
What we will go to?
We go to Booth
Yes.
for some time. Then he goes to Nusa Lembongan, probably.
Nasa Lembongan. And you?
Yeah. I don't know.
Maybe
I think
go.
I have to
Maybe.
think.
Oh, just alone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we travel alone.
Oh.
Yeah.
We meet. Yeah, you're too. Yeah, both hot.
Yeah.
In water. How is it to be a mom?
Sorry?
How is it to be a mom? Tired?
You
Or
feel-
you're happy? Tired.
I'm happy.
Yeah.
I see he walking, lot walking now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You work now?
Yeah, I learned just to.
You want to try to
He's
hug?
looking at me.
You want to try to hug?
Oh my god.
Ah,
You want to try?
one ear glasses.
You don't
I'm
have.
not sure I'm good with babies.
No, you don't know.
I think he will
You don't have
cry.
experience.
I don't have experience.
Yeah, I can try. You know, she's very good.
I don't want him to cry.
See,
He will take it.
see, you have experience, right? Like this.
Because he's a dad.
Yeah. Yeah, so good. Yeah. He's very nice. Don't cry, right?
Because you
Yeah,
have good
he's-
energy.
Oh no, sorry.
He wants mama.
You want a mama? If a short while, it's okay.
A little bit only.
Yes, a little bit. Yeah, here. Yes.
He needs your.
Yeah, your video now.
He likes that.
You want to try? You can try.
Oh my god.
Try.
I'm worried he will cry.
No.
No.
She's
How
so
do I
good. You
take
see?
him?
Just like this. Oh, you
How do I
see?
take
You
him?
don't have experience.
I don't have experience.
You before.
Yeah. And he knows I'm not good.
No.
No.
I mean, he knows I'm not like, ah.
Yeah, you're nervous.
He's like, oh yeah.
Yeah.